On today, this Orange County teen will be back in court. He's accused of running down and badly injuring a police officer in Orlando during a traffic stop last year. You can see the scene here behind me. And if all goes according to the plan, he will stand trial for the crime in just a few weeks. News 6 reporter Mark Lehman is live at the courthouse this morning. And Mark, what is expected to happen later on this morning?
David, in just a couple hours, a status hearing is scheduled in the case for Edward Kelty. But as we draw closer to a trial, there are now new questions being brought up in the case.
He has suffered a bruised retina from what I am told by his doctor, his brain bouncing off the back of his eyes when he was struck by the vehicle.
That was Jessica Anderson last month describing the life-changing injuries to her husband. Officer William Anderson was run over and left lying in an intersection after this traffic stop in July. Police say Edward Kelty was behind the wheel that morning. In January, he was denied bond after Circuit Judge Julie O'Kane heard testimony from a detective and relatives. Kelty's attorneys argued the now 18-year-old was trying to avoid hitting Officer Anderson, and evidence showing his intentions is circumstantial. But the judge found there was too much evidence against Kelty to grant a release. In her ruling, Judge O'Kane said after carefully reviewing this dashcam video, the court found that the proof is evident or the presumption is great.
But less than 2 weeks ago, this correspondence was filed questioning if the judge should step aside because of close ties to police. The documents show Judge O'Kane was the top-rated judge in a recent law enforcement poll. Now, if you remember, another judge already stepped down in this case because he was retained by the Fraternal Order of Police. Now, we'll see what the judge has to say about this when the status hearing starts at 8:30 this morning. We'll, of course, keep you updated on clickorlando.com. David?
Mark, thank you.